Hi guys, this is Shruti, your guide for today, and in this video we'll be learning how to use your Logitech G29 wheel. So before we start, let's see what comes with the box. So inside the box you have got three main things: the G29 racing wheel itself, the pedal unit, and the power adapter with cables. So first let's learn how to mount everything. So first you have to take your wheel and let your steering be on a flat surface. Also guys, remember you have to connect all these cables first before you clamp this wheel to the desk. Then you'll see one cable already being attached to the steering. You just have to take it out. So we'll keep this for now. Let's connect the other cables. Now take the power adapter and connect it to a DC in port. So you have to take this end of the power cable and connect it in the first slot. You'll see this charging icon also here. So you have to connect it here. Now let's connect the pedal unit to the wheel. So you'll see this wire coming from the pedal unit. You just have to connect it to the wheel like this on the second slot. Now that you have connected one end of the power cable already to the steering wheel, you have to connect this to a power source. Also, while connecting all the wires, you'll see all these slots over here. Just put your wires like this so that it's little less complicated for you. Now let's learn how to clamp your wheel onto the desk. Now what you have to do is take your wheel. You'll see this little gaps over here. Make sure the edge of the desk goes inside those gaps so that it has a good grip. So you'll see these circular things on the steering. Once it's set like this, to get a grip, you have to rotate these small wheels clockwise. Once you feel it's tight, just give it a little push and it will get locked like that. So once this is done, you have to keep your pedal unit on the ground. And finally, the USB cable that comes straight from your steering wheel, you have to plug it in a PS5 or a PC depending on what you're using. So for now, let's plug it into a laptop. So it will calibrate for a while and then it will stop. So guys, remember, if you want to play it on a PC, you have to download this software called Logitech G Hub. So let's download it first. So once your software has been downloaded, you will see this pop-up over here. Now you will get all the settings that you want to do to your wheel. Now remember guys, you can't access any games from this software. So if you want to play games, you have to download them separately and then play. But in case you are using a PS5 or an Xbox instead of a PC, it is just plug and play. So you have to take this USB cable, plug it into your PlayStation or Xbox. So for now, we'll be taking this Xbox and then connect the USB cable in the USB slot. Now you have to turn on your PlayStation or Xbox. So if you don't know how to turn on your PlayStation or Xbox, the link is below given in the description. Now once you have access to the games, you can select a game of your choice and then play using the Logitech wheel. So you might see a lot of buttons here, but it's nothing complicated. It's just as same as the PS5 controller. So you will see the usual PS5 controller layout here. The O, X, triangle, square, the L1, L2, R1, R2 buttons, just the basic buttons. And you'll see this metal paddles here. It is for gear shifting. Apart from that, you have got the PS button as usual, the options and the share button. Yeah, that's all about the steering. So now that we know how to play games in a Logitech wheel, let's learn how to turn it off. So to turn this off, you don't have to do anything much. There are no switches or buttons over here. You just have to turn off your PS, your Xbox or your PC, and then you have to plug out everything. That's how you turn the steering wheel off. Now to detach this wheel from the desk, just press on the buttons once. It will pop out and then rotate it anti-clockwise. Yes. So that's all about the Logitech G29 wheel. You are ready to race like a pro. And if you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.